Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I've always dealt with rosacea and red skin my whole life. Dr.Jart's Cicapair line has always been my go-to for neutralizing the redness in my skin tone. These are the Camo drops. This is my go-to for the summertime. It's like a light serum. It's not heavy. It's got SPF 35, so you have great protection from the sun, which is essential at all times, but especially in the summer. I wanted to show you how well this actually does neutralize the red. So I only applied it on the left side of my face first, so you can see how it really balanced out my skin tone on that one side. And honestly, it's all I'm wearing right now, with the exception of a little bit of mascara. So for me, I'm not a heavy makeup wearer. This is perfect in the summertime. I can throw this on, it's really quick. I just apply it with my fingers, blend it in, throw some mascara on, maybe a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm ready for the day. Another aspect that I like is because this is more of a serum, it doesn't settle into fine lines. So if you're looking for something that's gonna give you some protection from the sun as well as neutralize redness, I absolutely love these Camo drops. I think you should give them a try. But that's just my point of view.